Hello guys, welcome to my data science series using Python. In this is a part third of my answer of data science. In this we will cover 7, 8 and 9 question. Now let's discuss the question. Here first question is explain how this data structure and algorithm would work in practice to ensure the complaint is accurately categorized into the correct IPC or PNA section. We have already discussed data structure and algorithm in sex question. Now here we have to discuss how it would work in practice to ensure the complaint. This is the answer of our question. Now we will see the answer of question number 7. The task of classifying a complaint into IPC or VNS section requires suitable data structure and algorithm to process and classify the text data. So in this we will discuss the data structure and algorithm that is used to classify the text data. So here they are following data structure for text representation. Text can be represented by using data structure like term frequency, inverse document frequency, words, vectors of word embeddings, word to vector, glow vector. These structure convert raw text into numerical vector in that machine learning algorithm can process. So here second is feature matrix. Here a matrix where each row represent a complaint and each column represent a feature, that is specific words. It's commonly used to input in machine learning algorithms. There are also following data structure which we can use for storing text like list, array, priority queue, heaps. These data structure can be also used. Now second is algorithm. So here there are some algorithm like text classification algorithm. Here supervised learning algorithms such as naive Bayes, support vector machine logistic regression, it can be used for classifying complete into relevant categories. Second is natural language processing technique. We have algorithm for tokenization, part of speech tagging, name entity recognition that help in extracting important feature, meaningful information like what type of crime it is and other entities, what is the location, what is the date. This is done in natural language processing technique. Here, this algorithm will help categorize the complaint under an appropriate IPC or BNS section by applying or analyzing its content. Now our next question is 8, question number 8, where we will discover what metrics are appropriate for assessing the performance algorithm used in text mining for classifying complaint. Now the answer of the question number, let's see the answer of question number. Now this is the our question number 8. Here the metrics which are used in text mining for classified complaints are following, that is accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROCN, AOUC, MAP, MRR, P at the rate K, R at the rate K, and TCG normalized discounted cumulative gain, bilingual evolution, understudy recall, oriented understudy for guessing evolution perplexity. Now let's discuss these following metrics. First is accuracy. Here, accuracy is the proportion of correctly classified or extracted instance. Here, second is precision. Precision, it is the ratio of true positive among all the positive prediction. And third is recall, which is the ratio of true positive among all the actual instance. Here, F1 is called the harmonic mean of precision and recall. That is 2 into precision plus recall is divided by precision into recall. Now, fifth up matrix is ROC and AUC receiver operating characteristics and area under the curve. It measures the model ability to differentiate between the classes. Here, sixth is mean average precision, which evaluate ranking quality for information. Now, seven is mean reciprocal rank that measures the ability to retrieve relevant item. And eight is precision at K, which means precision with the top K retrieved item, and recall at K means recall within the top K retrieved item. Now, 10th is normalized discounted cumulative gain that measures the ranking quality considering relevance and position. Now, 11th is BLEU score, bilingual evolution understudy. What does it do? It generate good quality of text and evaluate that text. For 12th number is ROG score, recall oriented understudy for guessing evolution. Here it measures the text summarization quality. How the quality of summarized text it is. It measures that thing. Here 13 is perplexity. Here it measures the language model quality. Lower value indicate better performance and higher value indicate low performance. Now 14th is coherence, which means the It measures the logical consistency of extracted information. And the 15th is fluency, which measures the readability and grammatical correctness of generated text. So here, these are the following metrics which is appropriate in text mining for classifying complaints. Now we will see our next question, which is question number 9. That is our last question. Now, our last question is question number 9. Here, we will discuss the effectiveness and accuracy of text mining techniques using metrics such as precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion metrics. Now, how would you evaluate the success of classification model in correctly identifying the relevant legal section? Now, let's see the answer question number 9. Here, performance metrics of algorithm in text mining can be accessed using several key metrics. First is accuracy. Accuracy is the measure of total correctness of classifier by calculating the percentage of correctly classified instance. It is the number of true positive. It is the sum of number of true positive and true negative, which is divided by the total number of samples. Now, this is the formula for accuracy: true positive plus true negatives is divided by total samples. Here, precision. Precision is the ratio. We can say that it is a proportion of true positive result among all positive prediction, which indicate the reliability of classifier. Here, it is the sum of it is the true positive, which is divided by the sum of true positive and false positive. Now, third is recall. Recall the proportion of true positive result among all actual positive, showing how well the model capture relevant data. It is the sum of true positive and false negative, which is divided by true positive. Uh, Now the fourth is F1 square. F1 square, it is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. It is used to balance both metrics. F1 square is equal to 2 into precision plus recall, which is divided by precision into recall. Now the last is confusion matrix. It is a table which is used to evaluate the performance of classification model by displaying true positive, false positive, true negative, and false negative. Here we have seen accuracy, which is true positive plus true negative, that is divided by total sample. And recall what recall true true positive is divided by true positive plus false negative. Now, these metrics allow for the evaluation of how well the text fit mining model classify complaint into correct IPC or PNS section. It ensures the model effectiveness and accuracy. So these are the following performance of algorithm in text mining, which can be accessed using several key metrics. In this lecture, I have covered all the 9 questions of my exam paper. Now, thank you for watching my video.